What will happen if you plank every day for 10 minutes? Bodyweight exercises are lately making quite a buzz within the fitness world because of its simplicity and practicality that permits you to get informed by the weight of your body weight. Planks for the starters are one kind of physique weight train that by no means will get previous. It doesn't matter what. This exercise is ideal for individuals who lead a busy life and discover it very troublesome to go to the gym. As a consequence of time constraints, doing a plank every day, even only for a minute, helps strengthen your total core. Most health experts said themselves that planking is likely one of the prime efficient exercises to tone your six-pack. They're much more efficient than crunches. Keep on watching to know what occurs to you whenever you do planking each day for 10 minutes. 1. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injury. When exercising, there's additionally the risk of getting back and spine injuries. With planking, when done appropriately, you'll strengthen your back muscle tissue with no need to place an excessive amount of strain in your hips and spine. Consequently, it will help ease back pain, all of the while serving you may have an amazing posture when sitting and walking. It defines your abs. Planks goal each major core muscle, that is why. By major core muscle, we mean all of your obliques and abdominal. Furthermore, as you get higher and stronger, your planks may additionally get stronger when it comes to performing different exercises. For instance, if you're a frequent gym goer, you may discover an enormous strength enhanced in several compound lifts like squats and deadlift. And excellent news for women as properly because planking also boosts gains in your booty. 2. It boosts your total metabolism. Planks are a compound train, thus it engages several muscles on this similar time. Now what does this entail, you ask? In a sense, you may be burning a ton extra calories on a similar time than it might take to carry out different stomach workout routines, say crunches or sit-ups. Moreover, build up your muscles also result in extra energy being burned. That is because the extra muscles you may have, the faster your metabolism can be. 3. It enhances your total balance. Have you ever tried standing on one leg? However, then you were unable to stand up straight or more than a few seconds. If you trip even whenever you're completely sober and feeling okay, then it is because your stomach muscles weren't strong sufficient to keep up the balance you wanted. Planking for 1 minute each day improves your total balance. Finally, it's going to improve your performance in whatever sporting activity. 4. It advantages you mentally. Do you know that plank exercises have a sure influence on our nerves? Consequently, this makes them a tremendous method of enhancing an individual's overall mood. For starters, planking stretches out muscle groups that influence stress and stress within the body. When you're sitting or standing all day long, your muscles get tight and stress kinds in your shoulders, making you slump forward the entire day. Situations like this stress the muscles and nerves. By planks, you possibly can calm your brain while serving to you treat anxiety and even depression symptoms. So will you begin doing planks tomorrow? If so, make sure to come back again right here and share your results after a month of regular planking. In the meantime, you can go away with some comments below about this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more interesting info on the human body. Subscribe to the channel.